All right, we have an order we're getting ready to drop off, and I want to show you all what it is that you all get. Come a little closer, come a little closer. You get your personalized Chef Sharina Robinson Foody Fetish. This particular client wanted lump some, what is it, lump snow crab? Lump crab is snow crab. So these were handmade with pride. And so when she gets her order, she's going to open it up. It has to thank you for supporting my small business. These are her egg rolls that are frozen, sealed in a sealed container. Then we have my label. We have the food safety on the back. Yes, very packaged, nice and professionally as possible as I could. I'm so tongue-tied and nervous right now. This is my first order going out. So after weeks of hard work, come closer, empanadas. I'm going to finish this one up, and that's how they come. And all I got to do is put the ice and ship them off. But this one is local, so I'm going to drop them off to her in Atlanta. And that's my Foody Fetish. Our business is growing, babe. What you think, Crystal?
Good job, baby.
Good job to both of us. May God allow our business to soar after these first orders for today. Then I got orders going out tomorrow. So y'all can go to www.myfoodyfetish.com. Get your customized egg rolls. Bam!